I finally got delivered my new keyboard. I've been on the edge about trying to get a new keyboard because I didn't really know if I needed it or if I wanted it, but now I am so happy that I finally decided to get it. So I got the green version of this one, and this is the way that it comes. So as you can see, it's very nicely packaged. And let me see if I can have a better lighting over here. Probably this is better, and this is so you can see how it is in the package. It comes with this film, and then it's protected with this other plastic, so that way it's not damaged. And I ordered this version. There's another version that comes with also the mouse, but I already have a mouse, so I don't really need that one. And I just decided to go with this one. That is just the keyboard, but it's very nice and cute. I'm excited to install it on my computer and my setup that I have for my home office, and to start using it. So if you've been wondering if this will be a good addition, I think yes. So there you go. Look at this. I'm just gonna unbox it over here, and then I'm gonna make another video too when I install it, so you can have another idea of how it looks. But this is just my first impression. I am happy with the size, with the color, with the packaging, and everything looks very easy to install. And it comes with this quick guide on how to install it. They come with a USB cable, and also with, let me see, I don't think it comes with a USB cable actually, but it has the USB cable option. Or maybe, let me check. Oh, it does come with a USB cable. My apologies. So it comes over here with a little hidden on the box. So there you go. This is the USB cable that it comes with the same color, which I really appreciate. It's not a random white color that it doesn't look like it belongs. So if you want to see everything aesthetic, it does come with the same color. As you can see, I like that color. So there you go. And it comes with the instruction on how to plug it in. It is a Type-C interface over here, and also the multi-function knob, all the instructions, and then also it comes with this other instruction manual. And then the only thing you have to do is just remove this protective plastic, and then it's ready to be utilized. It's a cute combination, very elegant. This copper color mixed with this green that to me is just beautiful. And this knob is also beautiful. And everything looks very aesthetic, very nice, very organized. It has also in the back the charging voltage and the current, and also it comes with this if you want to have them on or off. It depends on your preference. And there you go. So I hope this video of the unboxing was helpful, and I'll make another one to see how it looks already installed.